Welcome back to today's video, where I am currently on my journey to try and make $250,000 in the next few months. So I'm looking for a roughly 5 to 10x. Today we're going to discuss the market pullback just before the FOMC meeting on Wednesday. Now I currently see this as probably a good thing because the market is pulling back. Now, usually what you get is into these events, you'll either get us pumping into the event and then dumping on the event, or pulling back and then pumping after the announcement, okay? Now, we started pulling back. We had a pullback yesterday and today. Today's Monday. We've got roughly 20 minutes before the market open on the US exchange, okay? The US stock market. We've got about 20 minutes, so we're going to see what they're going to do now. As you can see, this cycle, I am currently all in on 11 meme coins. We've got PHNIX at the top here, which isn't on this because it's not got a big enough market cap yet. PEPE, DOGE, FARTCOIN, SNEK, MOG, PEPE, PNUT, PENGU, SPX, Turbo. If you've got any of these coins, like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments, okay? Now, roughly 10 days ago, I was on about $31,000. Went up to just over 40 on Saturday, and now we've come down to 37. Okay. Now it's looking pretty certain that on Wednesday he's going to cut by 25 basis points. Okay. Now this is priced in, and the good thing is, if he decides to do 50, that is a bit of a bonus. Okay. The market is penciling in 25, which means they can't really be disappointed, because he is definitely going to be cutting rates because he needs to. Okay. Now let me just show you my portfolio, how it's doing. My 4 biggest coins that I have deployed the majority of my capital into is PENGU, SPX. Those are my 2 big ones. And then we've got SNEK and PHNIX, okay? And then moving down, we've got DOGE, PEPE, Turbo, MOG, Brett. They have all got the same allocation in, regardless of these numbers. So as you can see, these ones are generally the stragglers at the moment. I'm waiting for those to come into profit. But if we take a look on the charts, we're positioned quite well for the next position, okay, to move. So I wouldn't be too concerned about this pullback, okay. I am now fully allocated. I'm not putting any more money into this, okay. I'm at the point now where I've got my positions. It's about waiting for basically for the rate cuts to start coming down, and I am anticipating to be out of the market the majority in November and December. Okay, there's talk of this market going on into early 2026, which it could happen, but I'm going to start taking profits this year, hopefully. And then I'm always going to leave that moon back of 20 to 30%, because if it explodes, I don't ever want to not be in the market. Okay, so join the journey. I'm going to share with you how and when I'm going to take my profits. If you are into meme coins like me and you've got any of these, let me know in the comments below what your price target is. Okay, subscribe and like to the channel, and let's see how today we get on. Today is the 15th of September. Okay, let's see how the US market opens up. Okay, because it all depends on what the US does. Okay, we've had a pullback. Hopefully the US might come out and start pumping the markets from now. There could be another sell-off. Nobody knows. Okay, I'm going to be sharing my wins and losses throughout this journey. So if you're interested, subscribe. Till next time, take it easy.